Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is pagination. Pagination controls the number of records displayed in each page. It is the process of displaying large number of records and breaking that large number of records into separate page for viewing within the Salesforce. We can implement pagination using an Apex controller and Visualforce page. User can click the next tab and go through each new page, display the next 10 records. We have two options for pagination inside of Visualforce pages: offset pagination and standard set controller pagination. Offset pagination, we are limited to 2000 records. Standard set controller, we can paginate up to 10,000 records. Let's see an example. Here's a demonstration of how to implement pagination by using an Apex controller and Visualforce page. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to write the Apex code and Visualforce page, we need to click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So we are going to write Apex class by the name pagination, file, new, Apex class, pagination. So here we are writing public class, pagination is our class name, number of records to display per page, public integer, records per page, getter and setter value, current page number, public integer current page, again getter and setter value, list of accounts to display, public list of accounts, get set, total number of pages, public integer total pages, get set. Then we are calling the constructor public pagination, records per page equals to 10, current page 1, accounts equals to new list of account, total pages 0, load accounts method. So method to load accounts based on pagination, public void load accounts, integer offset size equals to current page minus 1 into records per page, accounts equals to select id, name, phone, industry, from account, limit, records per page, offset value, offset size we are passing, integer total records, select count from account, total pages equals to total records divided by records per page plus total records divided by records per page is greater than 0, question mark 1 or 0. Method to go to the previous page, public void previous page. If current page is greater than 1, current page minus minus load accounts. Then method to go to the next page, public void next page. If current page is smaller than total pages, current page plus load accounts. Then we are going to write a Visualforce page. So here we are writing the Visualforce page, Apex page, controller pagination. This is mandatory. From the controller we can call the Apex class this pagination. Sidebar equals to true, side show header equals to true. This is for displaying the sidebar and header. Apex form, Apex page block title equals to account pagination. The page title would be account pagination. Apex page block table equals to accounts. We are creating the variable ACC. So ACC dot name header value would be account name. ACC dot phone header value is phone. ACC dot industry header value is industry. Then page block table is closing. Again page block buttons, Apex command button, previous page, value is previous, disabled if current page is not equals to 1. Command button, next page, value equals to next, disable, current page is not equals to total pages. Then page block button section is closed. Apex output text, value page, current page of total pages. So to run the page we need to click on preview. So now we are seeing 10 values per page. Account pagination is the name what we had provided. Previous and next button is coming. Then account name, phone, industry, and here we are seeing 10 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 records per page it's displaying. Here we are seeing the page number, page 1 of 2. So we can go up to 2 page because there are this much of records. In the second page we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 15 records are there, and now next button is disabled because there is no more records to display, and previous button is active. If I am clicking on previous button, so it is going to first 10 record to display, and now we are seeing that previous button is disabled and next button is active because before this there is no more records, and after this there are 5 records to display. So like this we are doing the pagination. Thank you.